So hello here to everyone. Now I will show you the restoring process of my wheels. These are genuine Italian made of Opera two-piece wheels. Here you can see that I have painted them with the silver metallic. This is original MB paint color, and the side walls are polished. Only the one wheel which I'm showing now to you have some defects, and I will show you now detail what I mean. Here you can see that it was bent and now it is repaired, and also the second and the main issue with this wheel was that the piece which maybe and which is removable from the wheel itself is welded. Here you can see it, but nothing wrong with the operation of it and balancing of it. The wheel has all the original titanium bolts inside. I ordered the bolts from Germany, which I was missing and was waiting for them. Here you can see the bolts. Also, you will need some special tool to remove and install these bolts. Here is this tool. This is a 7mm special tool. I ordered it from Laser Tools from UK. If you want, I can share with you the part number. And now let's see the side walls. They are polished, but they are more shine in the other wheel. These are 8.5J front axle of Opera wheels. Everything is oak with the second wheel. No damages and no issues. Also, all the boards are original of titanium. Guys, it is today very difficult to find this type of bolts, and if you find it, they cost 4 or 5 euros per one piece, and it is very expensive for the wheels which need 19 of them. So one wheel needs 90 these titanium bolts, and that's why be careful when removing or tightening them, not to lose, break or damage them. So here is how the front of the Opera 2 wheels look. So guys, let's continue now, and here you can see the beasts. These are also was Opera 2-piece genuine Italian wheels, which are without defects, and they have 10J option, and they look simply amazing. Here you can see how thick they look. Also, the lips are polished here, and also the bolts are in their places. All the bolts are genuine OS titanium. As I already mentioned, these wheels are without any defects. They are not bent, they were not cracked. I only removed the old ugly black paint and painted them with the new look. So this is one wheel which has minor defects, and 3 others are without any issues. So I am very happy of it, and very soon I will install them on my car. Still I'm gathering some of the parts which I need to mount them properly on my W210, and very soon they will be installed on my car. I will run 18 radius wheels. These are the equipment which I will need. I show you them. So the wheel sizes will be 265 35 rear and 235 40 in the front. This is the sizes, or are the sizes I am running now, and I will install them on these wheels too. Little stretch will be there, but nothing now. So guys, so now on the example of the one of the wheel, I will show you how you must install it on the Mercedes wheel, especially on the W210. And here is the bore of the wheel. The diameter of the bore itself is 75 millimeters, so we must install it on the 66.5 millimeter bore. This is a regular Mercedes bore, and that's why you need some details for it. In my situation, this is the hub ring. These wheels came with the hub rings. These are genuine Oz hub rings, which is converting the Oz wheel bore from 75 millimeters to 66.5 Mercedes bore millimeters. Here is the original, also Oz hub centric ring, and here you can see how it looks. You will put it inside the wheel, and then you will be able to mount it on your car. In the other situation, you will be disabling the vibration on the steering wheel, and it is no good. So you will need some hub-centric adapters to install these wheels on your car. Also, I have here some center caps, which are genuine Mercedes ones, but they don't look enough good here. I think I will install them, but after some time I will update them on the color ones. I like the center caps which are silver and blue combined. Here which is the center cap, original one, but the paint is faded, bubbling, and I don't like it. So upgrade them is my idea. So guys, also I have one problem here, because on my car, and now I will show it, I'm running the big brakes from C32 AMG. These are 4 piston Brembo calipers. It is impossible to mount these Opera wheels. They hit this caliper, and the wheels are unable to be mounted properly. That's why I have to bought the spacers to make wheel and the rim installed properly on the hub. And now I will show you the spacers. Also, I have bought the new lug nuts, which are different styled from what I have seen on Mercedes cars, and I will show you them little lately. Here they are now. So guys, now let's see what I have got for these wheels. Here you can see the lug nuts and wheel spacers. I have just got them from Germany, and now let's place the camera in the proper angle and see together what they look like. Let's first cast on these lug nuts. These are not ball head lug nuts. These are conical head lug nuts because these all Opera wheels use this type of lug nuts. And also these are for the rear wheels. The length of the lug nuts is 23 millimeters. They are made by Husky. I know that they are made in Poland and it is good. Also guys, they have the grade on the heads, and also I measured before to order them, and the 23 millimeters is enough because at least 50 or 70 millimeter of the thread will go into the hub itself, and I think it will be enough to mount them properly and securely on the rear. But the different story with the front ones, because I have bought the longer ones because the 23 was rear and the 23 were enough for the front if I would not need the wheel spacers. But in my situation I will need 50 millimeter wheel spacers, and 23 plus 50 is 38 millimeters, and I bought a 38 millimeter same design conical bolts for the front of my car. So 10 longer bolts and 10 shorter bolts. I like the satin finish of the bolts, and I think they are very good choice. I gave 34 euros for these 20 bolts. And here are the A-Bach wheel spacers. These are 15 millimeters per wheel. Here you can see the part numbers. I prepare A-Bach because their support is very good. I checked the fitment on my car. You know, W210 runs the long hubcap design, and they said the A-Bach support said that this will go on the hub, and it is not mandatory to remove the grease cap to mount this on the car axle itself. If we look itself on the spacer, what can we say? German made quality. It is made by strong aluminum, and I always prefer to buy quality parts. And now I will demonstrate how this wheel spacer will work with the hub-centric wheel. Here it is. One side of the centric ring will go into the rim, and the other side will be attached to the wheel spacer. The fitting is good, no wobbling, and when I will secure it with bolts, the fitment will be enough tight, I think. So guys, this was a little informational video with my future plans. Hope you are doing well. Wish you all the best in the new 2021 year. I am looking forward to share with you much more information. Stay tuned, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Greetings from the Georgia, greetings from the David. Goodbye.